Doug Iverson joins us now, and in case you missed the lightning show last night, you brought a little something with you.
Yeah, I got proof that it really happened. Of course, we had quite the spectacle. Mother Nature really showed off her stuff last night. Ashley Allen took this photograph. This is over Bear Lake, kind of a different perspective of all the lightning. Our weather watcher Steve Coons and Burns said he hasn't seen a show like that in a long time. So Ashley, thank you. It's just spectacular. Have a weather photo you'd like to show off, whether it was recent or several moons ago? We'll just put it on TV and I think everybody will be happy. Just make sure you email it off to me.